Hey, hello guys, welcome back to Zhejiangtongli Heavy Machining channel. My name is Richard. So in this video, I'm going to introduce about the bearing bush of the bar mills. So as you can see, for the structures, the bearing bush, that we have a alloy surface part on top, and we also have 3 rolling rods on the bottom. We have the rolling rods because when the bar mill operates, there will be slightly movement. Therefore, we have the rolling rods that allows for adjustment for the movement of the bar mill, trunnions, and also slide shoe bearings. And then also another thing features about this bearing bush is we have a forced oil lubricating system. So when the bar mill operates, the trunnions or the slide shoe bearing does not have direct contact with this surface because the forced oil will come up from the center and then it will form a oil film between the trunnions, the side shoe bearings, and the trunnion bush, the bearing bush, so that it will make the bar mill floating on this thing, not in direct contact, to prolong the service lifetime of this bar mill. So yeah, and also you can see there's a base frame. That this base frame will be grounding when it arrives at the site. So thank you guys. In our next video, I'll introduce about other part of our bar mill. Thank you.